Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on the pinnacle of home entertainment with this XGIMI HORIZON Ultra 4K projector, a device designed to deliver an unparalleled cinematic experience. This projector boasts XGIMI's revolutionary dual light technology, combining LED and laser sources to achieve stunning 2,300 ISO lumens of brightness and incredibly accurate, vivid colors with a wide color gamut, resulting in a captivating 4K picture, pixel-shifted, that shines even in ambient light. What truly sets it apart is its support for Dolby Vision HDR, offering dynamic scene-by-scene optimization for unparalleled contrast, complemented by powerful 2x12W Harman Kardon speakers with Dolby audio for rich, immersive sound. With intelligent features like automatic focus and keystone correction, ISA 3.0, seamless Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth connectivity, and a robust Android TV operating system for built-in apps. This projector is capable of projecting a massive 200-inch screen and even supporting active 3D, making this XGIMI HORIZON Ultra the ultimate all-in-one solution for an extraordinary and convenient home theater experience. Click the link below for the best price.